Hello everyone, this is Dave. Today I am creating a neutral flower wreath using Sola Wood Flowers. And I want to send out a special thank you to Sola Wood Flowers for providing their products for this video. Today I am using Mod Podge, glue gun and glue sticks, recycled brown paper, a wreath form, and these beautiful wooden flowers from Sola Wood Flowers. They are just so beautiful. Why don't we get started on our wreath? I am starting off with the wreath form and the brown recycled paper, and all I did was I just crinkled it up into a ball, and now I'm just tearing it up into smaller pieces. And then I'm going to take my Mod Podge and a large paintbrush, and I'm going to paint on just a thin layer of Mod Podge onto the wreath form. Now this wreath form I got at the dollar store. And then what I do is I take my paper, I put a little layer on the back of it, apply it down onto the area that I've already applied the Mod Podge on the wreath, and then I put another layer right on top. So once I lay it all down, I want to make sure that it's all covered with Mod Podge, and then I just repeat the process over and over again until the front and the sides are completely covered. And once everything's covered, I'm going to let that sit and completely dry before moving on. And I want to just take 2 seconds to talk about Sola Wood Flowers. They approached me to do a video with their products, and of course I love their products, so I said yes, 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 and yes. So they sent me these beautiful wooden flowers. I got to select which ones I wanted. These are just a neutral, natural color. There's no dyes or anything added to them. So I just thought I would make a neutral colored wreath today. Our ring is all dry and we are ready for the next step. And all I'm going to do is kind of pick and choose flowers. I'm going to start off with this large one. I think it's so nice. I want this to be the center of attention, really. And all I do is I just pick flowers one by one, place them down, see where I'd like them to go, and just add a little glue, hold them in place for a little bit, and then add another one, and another one, and another one, and another one. Now, you don't have to use as many flowers as I do. You can use less, you can use more if you want. I just kept going and going because I was having such a good time. I just glued and glued and glued. But you can see here, I'm just kind of figuring out where everything goes, and then I glue it all down. And once I am all done with my gluing, here is the final wreath. I just love how this turned out, and I hope you did as well. Again, I wanted to send out a special thank you to Sola Wood Flowers. Don't forget to check out their links below. Thank you so much for watching today. If you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up and a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Take care. Bye for now.